I'm Ellen Encisco with Cincinnati Children's, and here's an article you should know about. Here, the authors wanted to know if a VACTERL anomaly predicted an associated gynecologic anomaly in pediatric females with anorectal malformations. Using the database from the Pediatric, Colorectal, and Pelvic Learning Consortium, they looked at 384 females with anorectal malformations. They found that about 27% of the patients had a gynecologic anomaly, and about 46% of them had the VACTERL association, meaning that in addition to the anorectal malformation, they also had two of a vertebral, cardiac, tracheoesophageal, renal, or limb anomaly. When comparing patients who had a VACTERL association to those who didn't, they found that having the VACTERL association was associated with more gynecologic anomalies. This was especially true when renal anomalies were found and when patients had rectovestibular or rectoperineal fistulas. So for females with anorectal malformations and VACTERL association, especially renal anomalies, we should look carefully for gynecologic anomalies. Click the link below to read the article and let us know what you think.